All right, guys, changing area, exercise 3.5, question 4 ka fifth one. Okay, let me pick up this question. But I don't want you to copy the question right now. First, what we will do, we'll establish what we know about area. Okay. Can anyone tell me what all formulas? You see, we know several formulas for area. Right now, most of your linear equation questions will mostly be from the rectangle square formula, like something simple like that, trapezium. But you should be knowing all formulas of area which were there last year, and we will revisit them when we do the chapter surface area and volumes again this year. Also, like any 2D plane, any 2D thing you should know. You should know parallelogram. You should know triangle. You should know equilateral triangle special case. You should know trapezium area. All of these should be in the back of your mind. Okay. Now I'm not going to revise all of them. For the purpose of this, we need just one area of a rectangle. What is that? Area of a rectangle is equal to how much, Tulsi? Tulsi was the formula of area of a rectangle. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Looks like Tulsi is busy with something personal. So yeah, Bindu, tell me what's the formula of area of a rectangle?
So L into B.
L in what is L? What is it? B? Can you please be
Length,
complete?
length into breadth, sir.
Length into breadth. Okay. Now this important thing we need to understand that. Okay, this is simple. Okay. Now let's look at this question. You don't have to copy this question right now. We're just going to discuss it and see if we are able to come up with the equations properly. Area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Acha, very interesting. Something is happening. Area is changing. So some starting area is there. It is getting reduced by 9 square units. If length is reduced by 5 units, okay, and breadth is increased by 3 units. Who is this? Dinesh Vairiko. Manisha, add Dinesh. No, again he's doing that only. Manisha, add Dinesh, please. Are you adding?
Yes, sir. Adam.
Okay. Please use the number which he's using now. Okay, do you know which one is this? Should I add? Let's wait. He's added it saying. Dinesh, hello. I can't see him with this Dabba WhatsApp change. Dinesh, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know. My video has been paused. I have no idea how to. What's going on here? Okay, guys, listen. Is it visible? Is my video visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's saying me video pause. I don't know. Okay, so tell me if my video is not visible. Okay. So here,
Yes, sir.
turn it ulta. Okay. Now is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For me, it's showing video paused. Anyhow, okay. Area of a rectangle is reduced by 9 square units. If the length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units, okay. If so, something is happening when the length or breadth are being changed. Something new is happening. Okay. Then length and breadth are being changed. Something new is happening again. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, let's see. Wait, I'm a little skeptical if we can do this without the next topic, but let's see. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is first I'm going to assume a rectangle. Okay, I'm going to assume the original rectangle. Okay, this is the original rectangle without any change, and let it be L and B. Okay, so this original rectangle, so area of original rectangle is equal to L into B. All right. If you want, you can take X and Y also. We'll take X and Y because we are so familiar with that. So let it be X and Y. Okay, there is no problem in taking L into B. So X into Y. Okay, now what it's saying is If the length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. So what does that mean? Length is reduced by 5. So this is situation 1. Okay. Length is reduced by 5. New length is equal to x minus 5. And new breadth is equal to y minus 3. Okay. Units. The unit is units. They're not saying centimeter, millimeter, whatever. Okay. They're saying the area gets reduced by 9 square units. So new area will be what? Anyone who can tell me? New area will be what? Manasa?
X minus 5 into y minus 3.
Correct. That is by formula. That is by formula. X minus 5 into y minus 3. This is by formula. But what will the new area be compared to the old area? Can anyone tell me like that? Mansa, you're getting my question?
Yes, sir.
Compared to the, so original area is this. What will I get the new area as from there? It's saying area of is reduced by 9 square units. So what will it become?
X into y minus 9.
Okay. The new area will be x into y minus 9. Okay. Now new area by formula was what, Mansa? By formula was what?
X minus 5 into y minus 3.
Is equal to right side what will come?
X minus y minus 9.
Xy minus 9. Correct. X into y minus 9. I can write xy minus 9. Is this okay? Everyone is good with this? Anyone has any confusion here? What we are doing, too much xy is happening. But if you see as we go further, that xy will go away. Everyone good with this? Any doubts? Manisha, Dinesh, any doubts? Okay. So now what I'm going to do now, see. Yes, Dinesh, you have a doubt, huh? Go ahead.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir. It's saying poor connection, that is, sir. I'm just waiting for like 1 minute, sir. It's going through.
Okay. I am sharing the screenshot now. Meanwhile, can someone else also just take it up as I write new stuff to share the screenshot? I will share it right now. Okay, Dinesh, in the group. I am hopeful that someone else will also keep doing it along with me. Okay, I'm doing it right now. If anyone else is taking it, you can do it also. Okay, so here I have, Dinesh, check it right now. Okay, check it right now and tell me if it's good. Okay, now guys, obviously units, you might be, some of you might be thinking about units. So I want you to think about this very clearly. Okay, suppose this is centimeter, suppose x is centimeter, y is also centimeter, then this will be x minus 5 will be centimeter only, y minus 3 centimeter only. But here what the unit will be? Any guesses? Dikshit, for area what the unit will be? Okay, anyone else? So take a guess. What will the unit be here? What will the unit be here? I'm just assuming centimeters. Yes, G, go ahead.
Unit, sir.
I'm saying that if it is centimeter, what will the unit be here? What unit only you're telling, man? What you're saying? Mansa?
Centimeter square, sir.
Centimeter square, because this is x centimeter into y centimeter. What happens? Centimeter square happens. Okay. Same way, this is centimeter square. This is also centimeter square. That's why they have written, they have not given centimeter, millimeter, all of that. They have given square units. So whatever it is, x unit, that unit square is here. Everyone is good with that? I want to check if there is a confusion about the unit thing here. So I am just simply not considering the units for making my equation. Okay, and that is valid because those units will work out in the background. Okay, and I'm not going to bother myself with that for this equation. Any confusion about that? Can I get a check? Festify. Anyone wants any confusion? Unmute and tell. Okay, MG, I'm assuming that you're following me. Shripriya, I'm assuming you're following me because I can't see everyone on the screen. Abhi, are you following me? Abhi, can I get a quick check? Unmute and tell me if you're following me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shipra, I see your thumbs up. Okay, Dilruba, are you following me? आजकल आवाज नहीं आता तुम्हारा. Dilruba, are you following me? Unmute करके बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So moving
Yes,
ahead
sir.
here. Okay, so far, Dinesh, you're good, right? Moving ahead, you got how we got this? Dinesh, did you understand how we got the first equation? Hello, hello, Dinesh. You have to unmute. Dikshit, what's your doubt? Go ahead.
Sir, I have a small confusion in how that new breadth became y minus 3, sir. Because in the question they said the breadth is increased by 3 units.
Yo, sorry. My mistake. It is y plus 3. Okay. It is increased by 3 units. Okay. Length is reduced. Okay. So you are correct, Dikshit. It will be y plus 3. This will also change. Okay. That is a mistake. If length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units, correct. So this is reduced by 5 units, this is increased by 3 units. And area gets reduced by 5 units, so it is minus. Okay. Thank you for pointing that out, Dikshit. You could have just unmute and tell me if that something like that happens. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Moving ahead here. Hey, hello. Dinesh, are you following or not? I want to check from you. I'm not going to move ahead otherwise. At least type in WhatsApp chat and tell me. Dinesh, are you eating lunch now? Okay, Dinesh is gone. I will. Dinesh, I'm not getting any response anywhere. I'm going to mark you. Okay, he's responded in WhatsApp. Okay. All right. So guys, that mistake was there. Y plus 3 it is. Please make that change if you're writing along with me. Moving on. Situation. So now this is not a linear equation. Okay. Because x into y means power is 2. X power 1, y power 1. So that's not a linear equation. My power should be 1. So I have to see, is this going to become linear or not? So I'm going to change it. I'm going to continue doing. I'm going to actually form a proper equation and then move ahead. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do distributive property here. A plus B, C plus D, something like that. So I'm going to do x into y plus 3 minus 5 into y plus 3. Okay. You can write it like this. You can do it mentally fully also if you are comfortable doing that. I will write it like this. That basically I'm doing the LHS now. So xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15. Every right hand side remains the same. Xy minus 9. Anyone has any confusion on how I came here? Anyone has a confusion on how I came here? Okay, Dilruba.
No, sir.
Guys, can I get an unmute and tell me if you are confused at any particular place? Tulsi, you're following? Distributive property is something which you very frequently make mistakes in. Okay, please make sure this is good for you. Okay, so I've just opened the bracket. Now if you see, my xy is going to go because both LHS and RHS, this I can just cancel, or you don't need to cancel. That's not the proper way of writing. You can take xy to any one side. Okay, so if you see, now it's going to become a linear equation. So 3x minus 5y minus 15. I'm bringing 9 this side. Okay, so it's becoming plus 9. And that side I have xy, and I'm taking this xy to that side. So that's becoming minus xy. Xy minus xy is how much? Tulsi?
0, sir.
0. So xy, so 3x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is a linear equation, no? X and y only. No tension of xy and all. We good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's do situation 2 now to find the second equation. Anyone who would like to do the second equation with me? Deepak, would you like to do the second equation with me? Increase length by 3.
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, x will increase by 3, sir, so x plus 3. And breadth will decrease.
increase only, no, they are not given. So increase length by 3 and breadth by 2. So it is increase only is because and is common for length here. Okay, getting me?
Yes, yes, yes. So
Hmm.
y plus 2.
Y plus 2. Okay, that will become how much?
X into y plus 67.
Plus 67. This will be my second equation. Okay, but I will not write directly like that. I will write properly. Situation 2, new length is equal to x plus 3, new breadth is equal to y plus 3, y plus 2, new area is equal to xy plus 67, and then I will write x plus 3 into y plus 2 is equal to xy plus 67. Then I will open my bracket, xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to, I am opening in one step directly. If you are not comfortable, like I am doing like this, x into this, then 3 into this, 3 into this. Okay, I'm doing plus 3 into that. If you're not comfortable, break it into x into whole dabba and then y into whole dabba. You do however you're comfortable. Okay, so xy plus 67. So here I get this xy goes away. I have 3. Guys, I am cancelling this. I know I will not make a mistake. This cancellation is what is basically, if I take that side, it will become xy minus xy. So this becomes 0. That I'm doing when I'm seeing both of them on the same side of the. Don't do this simply when you have denominators and all. Okay, like it will not be correct in that time. So 2x plus 3y minus 61 is equal to 0. This is my second equation. Now I have to solve this. Is this equation correct? Am I making any mistakes here? Just check and let me know. So here we have these two equations, and then we have to solve this. This is a little interesting type of question, so I would like you guys to actually copy this down.